Take home. I just go like this. Oil, half a cup water. Half a cup water or less.
Sugar.
Yeah, 1/3 cup.
跟1/3都做成，饭里去。
1/3
你看这卷我了，可以去比。That much.
Okay, what's the
Heat in the middle. Just put it in the middle. Either you put water, stir it.
warm ago?
Hey, my mom always use cold water. I always use cold water. I don't use warm water.
Now, how many cups of flour was that? Four of those? Four cups? Or
About 4. I usually use 6, but 6 cups. Everybody does their bannock different.
Yeah.
I do mine like how my mom used to cook it.
About teaspoon salt on and
Teaspoon salt and then that olive oil.
Die charged spoon the half.
Oh, spoon.
Or you could use your hand long time ago.
I'll just watch her. This time.
I don't measure. About that much.
The right consistency.
Use a spoon, fork.
Oh,
For us, that's okay, guy. I got it.
yeah, oh.
You don't come.
Nice piece.
A small one, buddy.
Yeah, you don't want to put too much water in, I guess, eh?
Then it'd be kind of like pancakes on that.
Yeah. Very nice and thick.
Some they use lard, but I never used lard. My mom always used oil.
Lard like it's
Some they prefer lard, I don't like baby lard.
I think they should use lard. I don't know.
This small pan.
Du har knittet til her.
No, hey, that's
Send not over knitted.
Oh.
you could use this flour.
Again.
Shift at the
Oh.
shift man. So,
Yeah.
here, I'll just leave it here for now, covering up with so it doesn't dry.
I'll use that. Round up. That was fast.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
We have lots of girls, nobody knows how to cook.
Okay, well,
Guys,
nice.
leave that till
Yeah.
we can use it.